Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where Opera GX is not opening, responding, or loading pages, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's simple. Simply search for Opera GX in the Windows search bar and then try running it as an administrator. If it works, well and good. If it does not work, then I'll tell you what to do next. But first of all, let us see if it works. Okay, it does in my case. Now, if it does not work, then simply search for it straight away and click on uninstall. Uninstall it. Remove it completely. Uninstall. And then search for store in the Windows search bar and then go to the Microsoft Store and then search for Opera GX. Go to Opera GX and install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.